We've lived on a sailboat for 3 years, and this is our
100th
video! Woo!
Our story started in mid-Florida on a 31-foot Columbia sailboat with absolutely no sailing experience whatsoever. No sailing background, no real plan, just a dream that we couldn't ignore. This little boat became our classroom. This is where we learned to sail, how to fix things, how to slow down, and where we fell completely in love with the freedom that comes with living aboard a sailboat. We weren't just vagabonds out here living on a boat, we were raising children out here, growing up on the water, learning from nature, exploring instead of rushing. This wasn't just our adventure, this was also their childhood. We quickly fell in love with this type of living, and eventually it was time to leave the comfort of our anchorage and let go of what felt familiar, trust the journey ahead, and point the bow south. Along this journey, things didn't always go as planned.
We lost all control of steering, and we have someone pulling us.
We've smashed into bridges, dragged anchor, got towed. We had to fix a lot of things on our way down south, but every challenge taught us something, and every setback made us even more capable. None of the setbacks stopped us. We kept going 1 mile at a time with Florida Keys on our minds. When we finally made it, we truly lived it up. Swimming, exploring, laughing, letting the days unfold naturally, and embracing everything that comes with boat life. Then came a moment we never saw coming, saying goodbye to our 31-foot sailboat. And somehow stepping into a 39-foot Pearson that we got for free. We had more room to grow, more comfort, more dreams, and with this space to continue our journey, the possibilities were endless. Looking back now, it's hard to believe how little they were. Time has moved so fast out here, but these moments, these versions of them, they'll always be a part of who we are. Life on the water really felt unreal. We settled into a rhythm, open water, quiet mornings, sandy beaches, simple days full of meaning. The kind of moments you don't realize are special until you look back. We didn't just live life, we built it. Paul and I got married right in the middle of all this adventure, and then came the hard part. We did haul out, repairs, long days, dirty hands, preparing this boat and ourselves for many more years of living aboard. With 10 days in the boatyard, we were back in the water, but far from finished. With the kids, we learned quickly that balance matters. This is their childhood, and we have to find time for play and time for work. That sometimes meant working on the boat, and sometimes that meant stepping away and having a good time. We went to the springs, back to working on the boat, and some more playtime. With another sailing trip back to St. Augustine, we rebuilt our bathroom, installed an entirely new solar system, and became fully electric, giving us more freedom than ever before. If you're looking for a perfectly curated sailing channel, smooth seas, flawless footage, everything going perfectly as planned, this probably isn't it. But if you want real life, a real family, real mistakes, unscripted moments, and the honest truth about what it's actually like to live aboard a 39-foot sailboat with kids, then you're in the right place.
Good morning, you guys. How's it going? It's supposed to rain a little. It's supposed to rain a little bit here, or here a little bit.
This is our journey, from where we started to where we are now and everything in between. To those who have been here from the very beginning, thank you for growing with us, for cheering us on, and for being a part of this life. And to those who are just finding us, welcome aboard. We share it all, the good, the hard, the messy, and the beautiful, because this is real life out here. So if you want to follow along, see where this journey takes us next, and be a part of our family's story, this is our life on the water, and there's so much more to come.